on. Coming home. I haven't even taken my backpack off. And Trixie likes to play. Yeah? Big kid, you want to play too? Oh, yeah. Good kitties.
Who's going to get dizzy first?
Show the spot. Show the spot.
Actually, before you show spots, let me... Oops. Do that.
Turn the other one on. That'll be even more bright and fewer shadows. Okay, both kitties. Okay, kitties. Both kitties. Yeah. You want to go this way? You want to go this way? You want to go this way? Yeah. You want to go faster? You want to demonstrate angular velocity? You want to demonstrate angular velocity? Did I bonk you in the head?
Not that one. Maybe this one.
Oh. Okay. Come on, Trixie. Give us some good action. Yeah. Oh, show the spots. Yeah. Show the spots. You gonna cart it off?
That's a yes.
Okay then. Not only does she have to kill it, she has to mutilate it.